Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 23rd, and I'm going to show you here, we planted our corn. Our garden finally dried out enough that we could get in it with the tiller, and we started planting our corn here. Now we go about 10 to 12 inches apart on our corn seeds. And we mixed a 10-10-10 plant food in with the soil. What we did is we made our rows, and we made our long rows, and then we put our plant food in. You mix the plant food in with the soil, and then you plant your seeds. So this will get a covering then over it. And one of our favorite varieties of corn is the Providence Tripple Sweet. Now we are trying a different variety this year along with the Triple Sweet. Now we left space between our rows of corn so that we can come through with the tiller then with our little tiller and help to cultivate the soil and keep the weeds down. So we left adequate spacing between the rows to do that. So we have 3 rows of corn in the one garden, and I'm not sure how many are down in the hollow garden. So this variety here is the Providence Triple Sweet, and then the new variety, which I will have to get used the name for, went down in the hollow garden. And for germination of corn, you would like your soil to be at least 60 degrees for it to germinate. So what we're actually doing here is we're letting the rows open some, and we're letting the soil warm up, and we're letting the seeds warm up, and then we're going to get it covered before the rain comes back in today. So we've been having so much rain here in Pennsylvania that we're behind in getting our crops in. So we're trying to work with what we have as quickly as we can when we have the nice weather. Okay, so we're covering their corn seeds up here, and this is how we cover them. Now, depending on your weather and your temperatures will depend on when this starts coming up. So when this starts coming up, I will come back with more videos and I will show it to you. Now, we're trying to get this done before the rain comes because it looks like it's coming. You can see what the sky looks like. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I will have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.